Hi everyone. Programming languages have been around for ages, and every decade sees the launch of a new language, sweeping developers off their feet. Python is considered as one of the most popular and in-demand programming language. A recent Stack Overflow survey showed that Python has taken over languages such as Java, C, C++, and has made its way to the top. This makes Python certification one of the most sought after programming certifications. Through this video, we will be listing down reasons why to learn Python. The first reason for Python's popularity is high salary. Python engineers have some of the highest salaries in the industry. The average Python developer salary in the United States is approximately $116,000 per year. And in India, it is about 5 lakh rupees per year. The next reason is Python is extremely simple and easy to learn. It is a very powerful language and it is closely resembles the English language. So, what contributes to its simplicity? Free and open source, high level, interpreted, blessed with large community. The simplest of the code is best suited for the beginners. The next reason is Python's portable and extensible feature. The portable and extensible properties of Python allow you to perform cross-language operation seamlessly. Python is supported by most platforms present in the industry today, ranging from Windows to Linux to Macintosh, Solaris, PlayStation, and among others. Python's extensively features allow you to integrate Java as well as .NET components. You can also invoke C and C++ libraries. The next reason is the extensive use of Python in web development. Python has an array of frameworks for developing websites. The popular frameworks are Django, Flask, Pylons, etc. Since these frameworks are written in Python, it is the core reason which makes the code a lot faster and stable. You can also perform web scraping where you can fetch details from any other websites. You will also be impressed as many websites such as Instagram, Bitbucket, Pinterest are built on these frameworks only. The next reason is the Python role in data science. Python is the leading language of many data scientists. For years, academic scholars and private researchers were using the MATLAB language for scientific research. But it all started to change with the release of Python numerical engines such as Numpy and Pandas. Python also deals with the tabular, matrix as well as statistical data, and it even visualizes it with the popular libraries such as Matplotlib and Seaborn. Another important reason to learn Python is to learn artificial intelligence. AI is the next huge development in the tech world. You can actually make a machine mimic the human brain, which has the power to think, analyze, and make decisions. Furthermore, libraries such as Keras and TensorFlow bring machine learning functionality into the mix. It gives the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Also, we have libraries such as OpenCV that helps computer vision or image recognition. The next reason is the Python's role in big data. Python handles a lot of hassles of data. It supports parallel computing where you can use Python for Hadoop as well as in Python you have a library called PyDoop and you can write a MapReduce program in Python and process data present in the HDFS cluster. There are other libraries such as Dask and PySpark for big data processing. Therefore, Python is widely used for big data where you can easily process it. Next reason is the Python's role in testing framework. Python is great for validating ideas or products for established companies. Python has many built-in testing frameworks that covers debugging and fastest workflows. There are a lot of tools and modules to make things easier, such as Selenium and Splinter. It supports testing with cross-platform and cross-browser with frameworks such as PyTest and Robot Framework. Testing is a tedious task and Python is a booster for it, and so every tester should definitely go for it. Hope this video would have given a clear and vivid reasons why to learn Python. Happy learning!